Today we're going to talk about flex gear clamps, also known as constant tension clamps, because they provide constant tension on hoses, whether it's due to fluctuating temperatures or pressures. Two of the nice characteristics that we offer with the flex gear are the Belleville washer system, spring-loaded, so it provides that constant tension, and then also the line band to protect the hose that it's clamping onto. We offer flex gear in two sizes, standard duty and heavy duty. For more information, visit us at idealtridon.com or live chat for immediate assistance.